Hello everyone, we move on to question 92 and this is the last question in this group of questions wherein we have a word or a phrase and it has been translated into a different arrangement of letters using some method of translation, and it is our job to identify what is this method of translation and use that method to find the translated answer for some word or phrase that they want us to translate. So let's read the sum to see what has been asked of us in this question. So they are saying that in a certain code language, it pit mit means I am boy. It sit mit means I am girl. And they're asking us which of the following words means girl. And the options given to us are A, it, B, pit, C, sit, or D, mit. And the correct answer to this question is option C, sit. Now, of course, these words sound completely absurd, but it's a very, very simple question provided you pay careful attention to what is being presented to you. So quickly, let's solve this sum because it's a very straightforward sum. We have been told that the three words it, pit, mit mean I am boy, and we have been told that it, sit, mit means I am girl. Now, how do we go about solving this sum? Now, don't put too much attention on what are the letters, but rather see what are the words given to you. Now, you can see that these two sentences, I am boy and I am girl, are almost the same sentences, only boy has become girl. And therefore, I can see that there are two words which are same to both these sentences, and those are the words I am. So, because these two words are there in the first sentence also and in the second sentence also, you must try to find out which words are repeated in your translated language. So now if I look at the translated language, I can see that, see, there are two words which are repeated in this language also, and it is the words it and mit. And therefore, they must represent the words I am, because I am is repeated in the original language and it mit is repeated in your translated language, and therefore these two words must stand for I am. So I can say that it pit stands for I am, and therefore the remaining words, that is pit in this case and sit in this case, must stand for boy and girl respectively, and therefore pit must represent boy and sit must represent girl, and that is the question asked to us, that is which word represents the word girl, and the answer is sit. So you see how we solve this sum very easily. All we had to do was recognize which were the words that overlapped in the sentences given to us, and then all the words that overlap in the translated sentences stand for these words. So again, let me repeat, I am was represented by it and mit because it was repeated in the translated sentences, and these extra words represented boy and girl respectively, and so the answer to this question is the word sit. I hope you understood how to solve these sums. This was the last type of sum in this group of questions. Thank you for watching.